Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article. Rana extradited to Delhi, arrested by NIA. Terror trials. Tahawar Rana's extradition to India was finalized in the terror case trial after years of legal hurdles. November 11, 2009, NIA registered case against David Hadley Rana and others. December 24, 2011, charge sheet filed against them and seven others. December 4 to 2019, India requests Rana's extradition from the USA. May 16, 2023, USA court approved extradition. August 15, 2024, appeals court upholds extradition. February 11, 2025, USA approved extradition a day before Narendra Modi Donald Trump's meet. February 13, 2025, Rana seeks relief against Modi and Trump's issue joint extradition statement. April 7, 2025, Chief Justice reject final appeal. April 10, 2025, NIA bring Rana to New Delhi for prosecution. Complex case. NIA official with Tahawur Rana on his arrival in Delhi on Thursday. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi. Tahawur Hussain Rana, the Pakistani origin Canadian American wanted for his role in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack conspiracy, was brought to Delhi by a special flight on Thursday evening following his extradition from the United States and the formerly arrested by the National Investigation Agency (NIA). Rana was produced before Special NIA Judge Chandrajit Singh, who is hearing argument on Rana's custody proceedings. Senior advocate Dayan Krishan and Special Public Prosecutor Narendra Modi represented the NIA. The court reserved order on the NIA place seeking 20-day custody of Rana. Advocate Piyush Sachdeva from the Delhi Legal Service Authority is Rana's lawyer. Rana was brought to the Patiala High Court in a cavalcade of vehicles, including a jail van, an armored special weapon and tactic SWAT vehicle and an ambulance. Ahead of the production of Rana before the court, the Delhi police removed press person and member of the public from the court premises, citing security concern. Rana extradition triggered a heated exchange between the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) and the Congress, with the ruling party asserting that it reflecting New India's zero tolerance resolve toward terrorism under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Congress, however, slammed the government for rushing to take credit, claiming that the extradition was the result of the year of diplomatic groundwork stated in the UPA era. Tihar jail officials said all preparations have been made for his incarceration in high security ward. Born in Pakistan, Rana studied at the Pakistan Military Academy in Hussain Abdul in Pakistan, Punjab province, where he became friends and David Coleman Hadley, aka Daud Gilani, and the Lashkar-e-Taiba LAT operative who conducted reconnaissance for the Mumbai attack between November 26 and 29, 2008. The attack left 160 people dead and 238 injured. Rana has served as a doctor in the Pakistani army for several years before he removed to Canada and then to the United States, procuring citizenship in both countries. Is it alleged that Hadley made 8 visits to India for reconnaissance of potential target? During those visits, he contacted Rana 231 times and kept him in the loop on the attack plan. Hadley also opened a Mumbai branch office, Rana Immigration Law Business for Youth, as a friend, and Rana helped him secure an Indian business visa day before the terror strike. In November 2008, Rana and his wife has traveled to Mumbai, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala during on 11 visit on India. Long legal process. After Ministry of Home Affairs directive, the NIA registered a case against Hadley and Rana on November 11, 2009, alleging a criminal conspiracy among members of the Pakistan-based banned terror outfit LAT and Harkat ul Jihad al Islami HUJI to commit terrorist acts in Delhi and other parts of India. The agency filed a charge sheet against them and 7 others on December 24, 2011. Based on the finding, India moved a formal request in December 2019 for Rana's extradition from the USA, where court proceeding begins on June 10, 2020. A USA court approved the extradition on May 16, 2023, which was the challenging. However, on August 15 last year, the USA Court's appeal upheld the order. The USA Supreme Court also denied Rana's review petition on January 21, 2025. On February 13, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the USA President Donald Trump issued a joint statement declaring that Rana would be extradited into India. He was handed over to the NIA team on April 9. So now we start our daily English practice session. Now know your English. K. Subramaniam as a witness. Looks like the Hawala case has made many politicians NST. NST, what does it mean? It means nervous or restless. For example, you look a little NST today. What's the matter? Meaning, why are you are so nervous? Exactly. Here are another example. I get NST before exam. Who does not? My grandmother gets NST whenever she has to visit the doctor. It is the doctor who gets NST when I make grandmothers to him. How is your grandmother feeling now? Pretty bad. So she is still got the phenomania. You don't use the before the phenomena. You usually say Prem as phenomena or Sudhi has phenomena. I see what are the other diseases where I don't have to use the definite article. The good question. Let me see now. You don't use an article with cancer. You have to say my teacher has cancer. Cancer has become very common this day. I know malaria is another disease which does not take the before it. I had malaria when I was young, but tell me what about chicken pox? Do you use an article before it? It depends. You can either say my neighbor had chicken pox or my neighbor had the chicken pox. So both are possible. Yes, that's right. How about I have had enough of disease? Chill out. Well, you chill out. It means to calm down, relax. So if somebody is shouting at me, can I say, hey, chill out? You certainly can. Here is another example. The captain asked the team to chill out before taking the field. When the players started fighting, the umpire asked them to chill out. Maybe that's what we should ask our NST politicians to do. Instead of accusing one another, they should just chill out. Published in the Hindu on February 13, 1996. The Daily Quiz. Here, this is our daily quiz. Here is quiz on Dalit activity on Jyotirao Phule birth anniversary. Shri Nivasan Ramani Prathamesh Kher made this quiz. Question number 1. On March 20, 1927, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar lead an agitation to allow to use water in public tank in place in Raigad district. Name the place. Question number 2. Savitribai Phule wrote a collection of poems in 1854. Name the collection. Question number 3. This Dalit freedom fighter was India's defense minister during the Bangladesh War of Liberation. Name. Question number 4. This Dalit activity from the Madras Presidency represented Dalits in the two-round table conference held with the British in the early 1930 alongside Dr. Ambedkar. Name him. Question number 5. This social reformer launched the Sadhu Raja Paripalan Sangam to campaign for the education of Dalit in Kerala in 1907. Name him. Visual question. Identify this Dalit activity and politician who coined the popular slogan गाय नू पुछ दू तामे रखो एमने अमीर जमीन आपो. You keep the cow's tail, give us our land. In a protest movement in Gujarat in May 2016. Question answer to the previous day quiz. Which team has played the most finals without winning the title? Kerala Blaster. Which is the most successful ISL team considering the Boss League Shield and ISL trophy? Mumbai City FC Shield and 2 trophies. Which continent tournaments Shield winners qualify to play in AFC Championship League? Second. Name the first team of defend the league Shield. Mohan Begum's SG. 13th team completed in his season ISL. How many teams participated in the inaugural editions of the competition. Answer 8. Visual. This team has become the first team to promoted to the ISL, establish the competition status as India's top their league. Name the team and the league it was promoted from. Punjab FC first league. Alibid who gives the answer this. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thank for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.